What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are out here at Silver Lake Sand Dunes, and somewhere that may not be familiar for some of you guys. So we are out here at Silverback Offroad Rentals. Okay, so today our buddies over at Silverback, they hooked us up with two Honda Talons. Okay, we're gonna take them out there, show you guys what these things can do. We're gonna get 2-seaters. They also got 4-seaters. They got 6-seaters if you got a big family. They got Jeeps. They got quads. They got everything. So you guys check them out. We're gonna leave a link to their website right in the description. Okay. So once again, we're gonna take these two Honda Talons out. We got two red ones right there. Look at those right there. Just sitting there looking, just ready for us. And yeah, we're excited. So remember, guys, like and subscribe if you guys aren't already a part of the channel. We appreciate you. Yeah, so let's roll. Hey guys, we are here with Hunter, right?
That's right.
Hunter, all right. So he's basically going to show you guys and tell you guys how, or what the process is of getting a rental from Silverback Offroad. So really great facility here. We get a chance to see what they got here, so he's gonna explain. So
perfect. So you guys are gonna walk in the door. We have all of our pricing right listed right here. Easy, you can see it. 1-seat, 2-seat, 4-seat, 6-seat, 5-seat. All of our prices are right there, like I said. Once you check that out, you're gonna figure out how much time you're gonna want, how much time you're gonna need while you're out there. So you come over here, you're gonna talk to our man Dutch right here.
Come on, Dutch, go ahead and say it.
Hi, I'm Dutch. Like, dang it.
It's all good, bud. You're saying hi now. You don't have to stay in the video. It's okay.
He's gonna help you out. He's gonna get you your waivers, get guys signing our contracts, valid driver's license, all you need. Once you guys get all figured out, we're gonna have you guys watch a short safety video. We play it right over here in the corner of our TVs.
Okay.
Have all of our goggles and helmets right here.
Welcome to Silverback Offroad at the Silver Lake Sand Dunes. Riding dunes can be a lot of fun and can also be very dangerous. Please ride carefully and responsibly.
Once you guys watch your video, you're gonna grab some goggles or helmets. We have placed right there on the shelves. After that, follow me outside. At this point, this is where your machine will be staged right here. One of our glorious 2-seaters, 1-seaters, 4-seaters. That's when I go over the map. This is a map of the dunes we got right here. Once I explain some easy, quick directions, make sure you guys are all safe to go in the dunes. That big red sign right there, that's where that's just the dunes. Once I send you guys off, you guys are all fun to have, or you got all free to have as much fun as you guys can out there.
All right, thank you.
good time.
Wasn't it though?
It was.
These things are fun. These things are fun. If you guys have never been on a side-by-side, this is a place to go.
Uh-oh, drop my glove.
Drop the glove. All right. So tell the people what they can expect, sir, after this fun voyage today.
A very smooth and comfortable ride. I'm a tall guy, so for me, sitting in some side-by-sides can be a little
Crampy.
Crampy, not a lot of like leg room and stuff like that, but I'm pretty comfortable. Seat goes back just a little bit. I got long legs, so for me, I'm fairly comfortable, not feel too congested.
Okay.
When you're moving around, I'm, fairly comfortable, nothing too crazy, no complaints. It was very smooth up on the sand dunes.
All right. Yeah, that was a good time. Good time. These things actually get over the hills really good, just being fairly stock, stock tires. They got them air down perfect, so
Highly recommended.
all right. So close us out, good sir.
Well, so as you see, we're here at Silverback Offroad. Next time you thinking about renting a side-by-side, come to Silver Lake Sand Dunes and mention that Venture All Terrain sent you, and you get 10% off your rental.
Say that one more time, good sir. It's all these cars going by here.
You'll hear that all the time. You're gonna hear all the machines and their loud noises all the time, revving it up. But it's a good time out here. But as I was saying, when I was rudely interrupted,
Wah, wah.
that when you guys come up here, let them know that Venture All Terrain sent you, and they'll give you 10% off your rental.
Woo! All right, guys, that can be nice because these things, these are big boy machines, big girl machines. So,
and they'll tell you they got variety,
big boy machines, big fun,
wide variety. So you can come with one,
something for everyone.
Yep, 2 of you, 4 of you, 6 of you.
Yep, they got Jeeps, everything. So, thanks, guys.
And remember, guys, your next venture is just one step away.
And then we got our boy from Air on the Move.
We're on the move.
Boy, Lamar.
Subscribe.
You go by Lamar, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
How you doing? You feeling good?
I'm good. My flag mount just broke, so I gotta go and get a screw on one. But besides that, we good.
But
Next
what are the
race
odds
coming
of
up
that?
this Saturday. Going for another podium finish.
Podium finish.
So we'll
All
see
right,
what
he
happens.
won in the top 3 last time.
Yep, first time
Kudos.
racing ever.
Yeah, man. Check out his channel, Air on the Move. Let's turn around so I can see that shirt.
Oh yeah, hold on.
Got the backpack on.
I'm ready.
There it is. Yeah, go support y'all. Michigan made right
For
there.
sure.